Get out there. Oh. We're making a kick-ass video today. Right?
Going to Wildcat.
Wildcat. Ooh. Here you go. So, we are kind of hiking today. A little hike. We're going up here to the top. We're at Wildcat Mountain. It's like two bluffs next to each other. It's pretty cool. Oh, snowy stairs. Snowy stairs. Okay, we're already tired. Oh, now we're gonna go up here. Last time we came out here, we decided to go off trail. We got lost for about an hour and a half. We ended up finding some bluff. Lydia was right though. Remember when we were at the house, we were like, which way to the car? And I was like, that way. Or like, which way do you think is to the car? And you're like, that way. I was like, that way. It's like straight down.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna make it.
It's pretty sick. I found where you're sleeping tonight. Right in there.
This is our camp for the night.
Look at it. The camera is definitely not catching the size of this.
You can't. It's like all of your vision.
I know.
Wow.
Yeah, we're at the beach. We're at the beach. We forgot sunscreen. So I'm just taking a little time lapse. And Lydia went to go find the bathroom somewhere over there. But yeah, we're just hanging out. There's her name. Year later. Year later.
Is the 15 even there still?
It doesn't even look, it looks like we did it yesterday.
The 15's not there anymore. Hardly.
Oh. Yeah.
16!
That's easy fix.
We should like, hold on.
There we go. 2016. You happy?
Yes.
Alright. We're gonna continue this march.
Oh,
what? What? What is it?
He's just trying to survive in there.
What, a little bug? Hold on.
Right?
Oh no, that's towards you. I can't tell. Yeah, there.
I think he's dead.
Think he's dead? It's not very nice. No one's gonna watch this. We're starting to get cold. At least I am. My hand's cold. And feet. Because I'm in tennis shoes. Because I'm so smart.
We've been lost in the tundra for days.
Having fun?
That's been my workout for the day.
For the year. We don't gotta work out for another till
For another year.
Till 2017.
Actually, isn't this a stream?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Let's get that idea.
We found the car. We survived. My feet will live to walk another day. Won't have to cut them off. We made it. In the deep snow. Look at how deep these are. So deep. So deep.
Water.
Water. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and we will catch you tomorrow with some video that I don't know what it's going to be yet, because I haven't planned it out that far. But thanks for watching, and feel free to hit that like button and subscribe, and we're going to start the next vlog right now.